Hear him? Did you hear him send QRZ? You could barely hear him. Listen. That's November 7, Charlie, Quebec, Romeo, N7CQR. He's doing a POTA activation. Sorry about the glare. I just worked him. I could barely hear him, and I figured, well, who knows what kind of power he's running? Who knows what antenna he's using? So I called him. He heard me on the first call, but he didn't copy my whole call sign. He got an N8, sent N8 question mark, and I called him back again, sent my call sign twice, and we worked each other. I got a 529. I gave him a 559 because he was coming up in signal level. He was up and down, at times a 559. But I worked him with 950 milliwatts. You know, guys, people like to get down on the whole POTA program, and I understand why. They have valid gripes, you know. But I'll tell you what the POTA program is. It's a QRPer's playground. And if you're into running 1 watt or less, oh man, it is truly a playground for us. Hey, I eliminated the glare by scooching over. Hey, just to illuminate, just to illustrate once again, just whom you should call if you're running really low power. Should you call the weak ones? Well, I just worked him. I just worked one. Listen. Listen to him. Listen to him. He's buried in his noise. Listen. That's who you should call using 950 milliwatts.
Victor Alpha 3, Bravo, Julia, India. Hey, Barry, thanks a lot for the parts today.
That Victor Alpha 3 woman, boy, is she loud at times. Sorry about that. Boy, am I nervous at the thought of parking you on a tripod, looking over my shoulder and just seeing who I could work. Boy, am I nervous about doing that. The phone operators are the hard ones for me to work, using 1 watt. Obviously, it's easier using CW than phone, mainly because these phone activations generate pileups. I've got to compete with the kilowatt crew, but let's try, shall we? Let me see. Yeah, okay.
757, thank you. Hey, thanks a lot for Massachusetts, 73. 73.
November 8, November Kilo, running 1 watt.
Kilo Charlie 1, Victor Indian Ocean, 59.
Thank you for the 59. You're booming into Massachusetts, Mike Alpha.
Hey, thanks for Mike Alpha, appreciate it, 73.
73.
W3NY.
Kilo, November 4, November Golf, Kilo.
N8NK, 1 watt.
Kilo, November 4, November Golf, Kilo.
Waited too long.
570, Tennessee, thank you, and have a good day, 73.
Thanks for catching me on the third part, W3NY, cheers,
November 8, November Kilo, 1 watt.
Golf, Romeo.
1 watt. QRP, 1 watt. I will slip in a quick QRP 1 watt. Maybe even during a QSO. N8NK, 1 watt. N8NK, 1 watt.
Whiskey 3, November Yankee, thank you for 59. You're 59 as well into the state of Minnesota. Mary Nancy, QSL.
Hey, thanks for Minnesota. First one for the whole day. Really appreciate the call, 7-3.
November 8, November Kilo, 1 watt, QRP.
Romeo.
November 8.
Thank you. November 8, November Kilo, N8NK, and I'm running 1 watt from the state of Michigan. Over.
Well, on the meter, you're a 5 and 5, so I'll give you a 5 and 5, but I would have given you a 5-7 by ear. Thanks so much for your call, and your level up's doing a great job.
Thank you. You're a 5.9, very, very loud in the state of Michigan. 73.
Well, thanks for the call, W3NY.
Hang on.
Bravo 7, Tango Golf, Romeo.
You know, guys, in the stroke of genius, I have an idea for the whole POTA program. How about, what say you, 10 watts max? You're allowed 10 watts maximum output. No, nothing scientific. No need to measure anything. You turn your rig's power knob down. Turn it to the left until the display reads 10 watts. Then you can operate your POTA. N0AC on the 30 meter band. This morning I just checked my SWR on 30 meters because I don't have a 30 meter element on my vertical out there. The SWR is 7 to 1. But the thing is, because I'm using this 10 dB attenuator, the rig always sees 50 ohms no matter what the output SWR, the antenna SWR is. Think I can work them with 1 watt with an SWR of 7 to 1. Let's give it a go. Boy, does he have an unusual sound to his signal, too. Kind of sounds like a chicken. Sounds like it's making a balky sound. Bok, bok. Wow. Yeah. I don't know where I left off with you guys. This has been on pause for a minute. Anyway, that was November 0 Alpha Charlie N0AC in Iowa. And I worked with an SWR of 7 to 1. Man, this is like taking candy from a baby, right? I think I made a promise that I was going to show you guys my 100 milliwatt contacts. I'll do that next. I promise. Bye now. Okay, guys, that's enough fun for a while. I'm going to sit back and listen to an activator work the gang. I need to sit back and relax. I need to gather my wits. I'm rattled. I am. I don't know why, but I am. Making those 3 rapid fire contacts using just under a watt, about 950 milliwatts. The last one being on a band I don't have an antenna for with an SWR of 7 to 1. It's frazzled my nerves.